Official padlock. See, works very well. Hardened steel. No key. Definitely locked. Bryson's gonna pick it. Here you go, buddy.
Alright.
Remember, make sure you get past that warning. I guess I try this one first. There you go. Alright, go get it. All the way to the back.
How many locks does it have?
Go all the way to the back. Don't pull this one out. Just go all the way to the back and shake it gently.
Doesn't really work that well. That's
Might need to reset.
That's probably and that good. There we go.
Alright. Around the warding. All the way to the back.
I think I'm gonna use changing it up.
I don't think that one worked too well. It might.
Good setting. Boom.
There you go. And it's open. Show the camera. Show the camera that's open.
It's open.
There we go.